Hello guys, welcome to Sim Tech Hub. In today's video I want to show you guys how to earn free docs on BLUM. Okay, so if you are here and you do BLUM airdrop, then good news for you because BLUM is sharing free docs token, okay, to users who participate in some tasks on the BLUM airdrop platform. Okay, so without wasting my time, let me go to my Telegram account to show you guys how to get the free docs on the BLUM airdrop. Okay, you know, docs will be listing tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow 26 August. Okay, and you can participate in this tax on the BLUM to get free docs. Okay, so that when they list it you get some money. Okay, so let me open my BLUM account. Okay, so this is my BLUM account. Okay, BLUM is also another airdrop that you have to participate if you want to make money. Okay, currently I have this as my BLUM tokens. Okay, so to earn the free docs you have to click on this tax. You see a crypto drop here. There is a campaign going on here, so complete a quest for a chance to earn exclusive token airdrops. Okay, so let's click on the open. Okay, so BLUM is sharing free docs. Okay, so complete the quest and take a chance to participate in the docs giveaway. Okay, final allocation will be adjusted based on the frequency of check-ins and in-game activity. Okay, so what they are saying here is that they will pay you the docs airdrop based on the frequency of check-ins and in-game activity. So the more you log into your BLUM account, the daily check-ins that will be used to pay you the docs airdrop. Okay, and these are the tasks you have to perform to get the docs airdrop. Okay, so first you have to subscribe to BLUM Telegram account. Okay, so if you haven't done this, then you have to click on it. Okay, to join BLUM the channel. Okay, the Telegram channel. Okay, then you invite 5 friends. You need to invite friends to your BLUM account. Okay, you can see all have been ticked and it's left with this one. So I'll be doing this ton transaction to tick this. Okay, so that I'll be eligible for the airdrop. Okay, also you have to subscribe to Docs Telegram channel. Okay, you can see Docs Telegram channel has been ticked. Okay, I have joined Docs Telegram channel. Okay, and you have to connect your Ton wallet. Okay, you need to connect your Ton wallet. To connect your Ton wallet, you come here and you click on the wallet option, then you connect your Ton wallet. Okay, I used Ton Keeper for this, so I have downloaded Ton Keeper and linked my Ton Keeper to BLUM. Okay, so you need to connect your Ton wallet. Okay, then you need to make a transaction on the Ton. Okay, to complete this. Okay, so let me click on the start and it will automatically open my Ton Keeper account. Okay, so I have opened my Ton Keeper account and I have to make some transactions. Okay, so let me swap this to make the transaction. I need to pay 0.2 ton. Okay, so I'll pay 0.2 ton to make the transaction to be able to get the docs airdrop. Okay, so I'm done making the transaction. Okay, and you can see this is loading. Okay, the ton transaction is loading. Okay, so I need to wait for it to complete. Okay, so that I can claim. There is a token for me to claim over here too, so I'll claim the token. Then I claim 250 BLUM points. Okay, so this is how you guys can participate in this dog airdrop tax on BLUM. Okay, for you guys to get a free docs. Okay, so if this video helped you to earn the docs airdrop in your BLUM account, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.